welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is having a great day. We are moving back onto my EVO 10, so my Mitsubishi EVO 10. We've done a lot of things recently. We did the new black hood vent and hood scoop, looks really good, custom painted on that. We did the rear gurney flaps, looks amazing on that. Now we're gonna be doing the front lip. So I got the front lip custom painted. I've been filming so much, my memory card got full, sorry. So back at it, yeah, we're gonna be installing this new front lip. It's a Railliart, so style, front lip that I got painted in Rally red, and then a Mitsubishi black, kind of the Phantom black, but without any of the sparkles in it. And it looks really, really good. So here is the lip, currently sitting on the ground. I think it's gonna look amazing. So you guys can see how I two-toned it. The reason that I did the two-tone is I wanted the front of the grille to look really aggressive and not to lose that Evolution black front nose of the car. And I think this is just gonna make it look so close to the ground. I haven't washed the car for a little bit, so the car's a little bit dirty, but the new lip is perfect paint. It does have some dust on it from when I got it back from the paint shop. But before we do that, the first thing that I wanna do is I'm actually gonna go over all the mesh. See the mesh down there? And I'm gonna take a little bit of paint, black paint, and paint it all real quick. So I wanted to show you guys that. I did it a while ago on here because I get a lot of rock chips on the front of the EVO. It comes up and hits the grate there, and it makes it kind of look not as gloss black and see-through. So I am gonna go over the entire front of the front of the EVO today and do that. Before I do that though, I do wanna lift up the car so I have an easier workspace. So let me go ahead and put the front of the car up on jack stands. So we got the big old hunkin' EVO. These things are, I'm not kidding you, the EVO 10s, they are big rigs. They're big cars. You know, I'm comparing it to that, but this is a big car. I've always thought that, and I actually like it for that reason that it's so big. But when it's in a garage, they do take up a lot of space. So I did lift up the car. What I'm going to do now is clean the front bumper just to get a nice clean on it, and then I'm going to go over the car and I'm just going to take that same paint nail polish that I use and just brush nail polish across the entire front grille and on the carbon fiber fog deletes. Okay, so I did just wipe down the front bumper. It looks better, it's not as dirty. Yeah, you guys can see it's not as dirty. So let's go, I'll grab that paint real quick. So I grabbed that paint real quick and this is what I'm going to use. Again, it's just nail polish. And then what I'm gonna do, literally, all I'm gonna do is just paint along. I don't even need to prep it. It lasts really well. But I'm just gonna paint along the mesh. And you guys will be able to see how, you can almost not see into where the intercooler is and where the wheels are because the chicken wire is so kind of hit by rock. So this will make it look brand new. It's just a refresh before we install that front lip. Okay, so I just spent about 15 minutes. I did this grate or mesh, and then I did the left side. Can you guys see the difference? Huge difference, right? So you can start to see the intercooler. I think it's totally worth it. Again, it's gonna be time consuming, but you can totally see the huge difference right there. So the mesh is kind of dirty and kind of worn out. And then if you look over here, just the touch up of that black paint. You could probably put some paper behind there and spray paint it, but I don't want any overspray. And this is just doing a great job. I think that looks amazing. It'll look perfect when I put the new lip on. So we touched up all the wire mesh, looks really good, a lot better. Here is the lip, we set it down here. I'm gonna be using some gloss black screws, and I'm just gonna start mounting these screws to make this look amazing. Again, the car's not washed, it does need to be washed, but it does look better because it has been really dirty lately. But we're gonna go ahead and just go from the bottom up. What I like to do is start on one side, and I'll grab my jack and use the jack to hold up the other side. Or if you have like a girlfriend or a friend, they can do it for you as well. Boom, so that's done. So what I did was I brought my jack over and I jacked it up on this side, held it, and then I did 2 screws on this side, came back, removed the jack, did 2 screws on this side. Absolutely looks so aggressive. I did do it in the matching Rally red. Kind of from far away, it looks perfect, but close up you can see that the Rally red on there is new, and then that front bumper has the old Rally red. I probably should have re-sprayed the whole bumper. I just didn't really want to do that. I thought it'd be more expensive, and I just wanted the lip. But It looks amazing. And then actually for the line that's measured out right there, I actually measured that line and told my painter Clayton, I taped it off, and it's a perfect line. I mean, look at that line. Absolutely, just continues right out. I really like that. That looks, I nailed that, to be honest. That looks so good. Oh my gosh, I love that. So that's a Railliart front lip, paint matched. So now that we have it all done, absolutely, the car looks so, so good. I will go ahead and go get some cinematic edit shots. It'll be the intro of this. But wow, absolutely loving this. Let's go ahead and jump into that intro of this. So that's it. Final lip is installed. It looks amazing. Look at that. The car looks so close to the ground now. That's what I've really noticed, is that it made the car look so much closer to the ground, and that is what I was looking for. I think that looks amazing. Very, very, very aggressive. This right here is gonna be my favorite angle of the car now. That truly looks like an EVO to me. Look at that. I almost wanna make the intercooler silver again, because my intercooler is blacked out. You know, I did all black charge pipes on my EVO. Everything's black, wrinkle black, the whole car is. And I think it might look good even with a silver intercooler. So I might actually go back to a silver intercooler. But wow, that makes the car look so aggressive. Look at that. Absolutely love that. The other thing that I was kind of showing you guys when you guys watch the intro of the video is the rear spats look amazing. That actually transformed. That's this is probably my new favorite angle of the car, to be honest, right there. That is so good. I love the rear spats. This is just totally my type of build with the big high style wing in the back. I absolutely love a big high style wing. I love red and black. I think it looks really good. This is like one of the best daily drivers I've ever had, for sure. Look at that. Absolutely looks amazing. Right there, that's probably my favorite angle. You know, I've been thinking about changing the taillights and going with a red taillight, but I think I'm gonna keep the black ones because I love the red Y, the Audi style V-Lend. They look really good. But that's how you install it. It was great. I ended up buying 18 screws that were all black for $1. I showed you guys that in the last video. I used all 18 of them. So I used 4 on the gurney flap, 4 in that rear gurney flap, and then 12, I think, on the front, or 3, and then 12 on the front. So I did use up all those, and it really held really well with those gloss black screws. I like the gloss black screws. I definitely recommend doing a gloss black screw. It looks really, really good. I also did the black roof. I forgot about that. I did the black vents and the black hood scoop. That looks so perfect and mean. I think that looks really good. I do like that I only have one piece of carbon fiber on here and not up on the hood scoop. I was thinking about doing carbon fiber hood scoop, but I like the black and red look. I think that looks really mint and really aggressive. That's how the car, this is how the final edition right there. That right there is perfect in my eyes. I love the EVO content. I hope you guys like the EVO content too. We're gonna be working on some more power. I do have another video for the EVO. I'm gonna be installing a really nice gloss black shifter and shifter surround and a new shift knob, and I'm gonna have like a perfect shift setup. And then I also want to start working on more power. So we'll probably be doing a downpipe when it gets a little bit warmer here, like a month or two. And then once we get the downpipe installed, I'll show you guys how to do that. A nice detailed how-to video for that. Once we have that done, then we'll do the electronic boost controller, and then I'll have a local guy here tune the EVO and get some nice wheel horsepower. And yeah, this is gonna be just the best daily driver. I love this car. You know, I love having the MR2 and the Lotus, the rear-wheel drive, 2-seaters, but this car really gets it all done. So I absolutely cannot recommend the EVO 10 enough. They are amazing. So make sure to hit the like button, guys, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.